Right, today we're going to be reviewing the order tracker, which allows guests to track the status of their order and also allows the staff to let the guests know how the order is going. You may see some of the major restaurant chains doing that from a consumer side. Creates a great guest experience and also, just kind of make sure that there's some engagement there and that the guest knows what's going on. So what you're seeing here on the left side is a request management system, which is what the staff sees. And on the right side, you're going to see the guest experience, which is what the guest would be seeing. So what we'll start by doing is adding one of these items into the cart so we can order it. So we'll add that there. Go ahead and register, and we'll just go ahead and submit the request. Once we're here, we'll go ahead and check out, enter all of our information. All right, and okay, and so we'll go ahead and do a room charge there, and we'll submit the order. Okay, so immediately what you're going to see is number one, the request status has been populated here on the guest side, and on the left side we have the order that just came in. So what I'll go ahead and do is I'll click on the order itself, and you'll be able to see now some of the items that are associated with it. One of the new things that you'll notice here is that we've got the request tracker down here. We've got all of the information regarding the request and the cart totals as usual. So what we'll do in order to start the request tracker is we'll click the in progress. Once we click the in progress tab, the first thing that you're going to see is the ability to message a guest. Now, the great thing is that this message is already pre-populated, so all that the staff member has to do is click submit. Now, alternatively, they do have the option to modify the message, but we recommend that they leave the message as is just to make the process as fast as possible. So we'll go ahead and submit this in order to move it into the order received status. Now you'll notice that the order received status also updated on the guest side over here on the right side, so the guest would be seeing the actual status of the request in real time. We also went ahead and created a badge up here to let the user know that there's a new notification from the staff, so that if they're not on this page and if they're on the home page, they would be receiving this as well. So the next thing that we would do is click on next in order to process the order into the next status. And again, you're going to see something very similar where the message is already pre-populated, and then all the staff member has to do is click on the submit button. You'll also notice that down here at the bottom right for the staff member, these messages are actually being tracked in the little message pane here so that they can actually see what the user is receiving. The guest now has the ability to, send a message back in case there's any modifications that need to be made or any engagement that needs to happen during that process. Again, we'll go ahead and click on next, and we'll hit on submit, and this will be now taking it into the delivery stage. Your order is being delivered to your room, and so now the staff member can let the user know, hey, it's on its way there and the guest will be ready for it. And the last thing that we'll do when we hit next is, when the order has been delivered. And this is a good opportunity to just get a little bit of feedback. Ask the user how everything is going, if everything was prepared, accordingly. And that'll be the final status of this order. So this is what pretty much takes the order from order received all the way through delivery and lets the guests know in real time what the status of their order is. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please do contact your account manager or email us at support@runtriz.com. Thank you.